End of the first period. It's scoreless. Wow, good performance so far. I really am proud of my team, how we played so far, even though it's scoreless. There's some shots that should have went in, but you know it was a lucky block, you know, for the Islanders. But okay, now our goalie, Mrazek, has been a god in this game so far. He has been fire. He's been pretty good in this game, for real. He got so lucky. 2 lucky saves from him today. One was when it started rolling around, you know, although it really wasn't a save by him, I guess. It may have been, I don't know. But the puck started going around, and luckily it did not go in. But there's one where I forgot who it was, but these Islander players, this player had his own space. Just went down there, shot it. Peter Mrazek saved it. That was a very lucky save. If it wasn't for him right now, we would at least be down 1-0. Maybe 2-0, but really right now 1-0. So, but it's scoreless. Hopefully we can get some shots off in the second period. I'm getting out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all after the second period.